Hello everyone. In today's video, is gonna show you here about to help you through the situations that we want actually to start to understand how you go for to add a barcode to the backing slip. So all you need to do is about to follow this video. It's gonna really want if it's really about to be satisfied on backing slip on doing to add a barcode to that. So right quick, what is gonna be on about to be satisfied on that? All you need is about to start to do backing slips. Now what you're gonna do to customize it, as you can see, you're gonna start to see that it's packaging, shipping and delivery. You're gonna start to find bar code. So it's about something that backing slip template over here. You can start to add reviewing of the barcode that you have over this place, but I don't know why. So that gonna really have something of meaning of yes. So let's say about that on yes DM and I guess I go to yes to have to go to shipping and delivery and editing template. So insert barcode of the of that here, and I don't know what kind of code if you want to add. You can insert a barcode snippet and then you can save the template later here or up or here. Yes, you can save it here. So that is all about. I hope you see this video helpful.